This is Gage Creates. I'm going to show you guys how to make a boomerang. For this project, you'll need a metal coat hanger, wire cutters, pliers, and duct tape. First, cut these two pieces to get rid of the hook. Now push up on the bottom of this hanger until you get the shape you would like. Now using pliers, go ahead and finish shaping up your boomerang. I found that the best way to do this was to straighten this part out, then just make the shape. Now just overlap the two ends and tape them together. To make the boomerang more aerodynamic, put the tape on long ways, then you can just wrap the tape around the edges. Just add different colors of tape to give yours a cool custom look. You don't have to, but I added a second layer of tape to mine, and let's see how it works. What you'll need to do to throw a boomerang is just to pinch the corner like this. Just put your boomerang at an upward angle and flick your wrist. Just throw your boomerang a little bit right of the wind, and it also helps to throw it easy. If you liked this video, then check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Peace.